Good morning, YouTube. I don't know how to do this. I decided to start vlogging because I'm bored. Let's get this day started. So obviously I just woke up and I just got out of the shower. I don't know how to do this. Morning vlog. Look up, I'm starting a vlog. Say hi to the vlog. So we're about to do some breakfast, I guess. Here is my breakfast, y'all. So my dad's gonna eat with me. He's outside cutting the grass, but look, we got eggs, yum, pepper, onion, and cilantro. Let's get this chef cooking. Oh shit. Hold up, I'm chewing. Finally. Okay, I'm just playing. I forgot to record. I already ate like some of my breakfast. Yum. And yeah, here's my Chezes. Chezes, say hi. And there's my dad's breakfast. He's not coming in. He's outside still cutting the grass. So I've been eating here alone. Well, not alone. Here, Chezes. I'll record later. I don't know. I'll see you in a bit. Bye in a second. See you in a second. Hola, ma! Well, this is my mom. We're going on a Walmart run. Let's go. Where are we going? H-E-B. H-E-B, not Walmart. Guess what, you and I'm starting a vlog. Okay, so I couldn't record H-E-B because I left my phone without battery. My phone ran out of battery. And well, I'm back home. Actually, I'm going for a run with them. Yeah. Workout. If you want to see workout videos, let me know. Comment down below with workouts if you want. Yeah. Ew. Well, I gotta do a face mask, I guess. Yeah, I see you on the bed. I don't know how to do this, guys. Bye. Papa, get this girl. Get it. Get it. Yes, boy. Get it. Could join us for a run. Hey, Mom. Oh, relax time. He got tired. Where's your baby? So, we finished running. Yeah, and now my baby's playing with his friend. We're just on the other side of the fence. I'm about to do some ab workout, and if you want to see videos like that, let me know. Comment down below if you want. And yeah! So guys, I just finished my first vlog. Yeah, that is it for today. Just finished doing my ab workout. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Like and comment. I don't know, do whatever you want. That's it for today's first vlog. See you in my next vlog. Bye.